So a couple of days ago, I uploaded a motion lapse video on my Instagram stories. Someone asked me how to do this. So I told him I use my Moza Master app with the Moza AI2 gimbal to make this kind of videos. So he told me, so you can't do this without using any gimbals? I said, no, you can't do this without using any gimbal. So later that day, I was thinking, can we do motion lapse videos without using any gimbals? So I came up with an idea. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do motion lapse videos without using any gimbal. What is up everybody, welcome to Elixir and motion lapse videos without using any gimbals, right? So what is the difference between the motion lapse, time lapse and the hyperlapse video? In time lapse videos, the photographer and the camera both stand still. But in hyperlapse videos, the photographer walks towards any subject, tracking a single point on the screen. But in motion lapse videos, the photographer or the filmmaker stands still while the camera is either panning, tilting or panning or tilting both. So there is the basic difference between time-lapse, hyperlapse and the motion lapse. For making motion lapse videos, you need 4 things. Number 1, a camera. Number 2, a tripod. Number 3, a sellotape. And number 4, a printout of a millimeter scale on a A4 paper. I'll put the link of that exact image I printed out. You can download that and print that out. So my tripod snakes doesn't have any individual markings or scaling, so I print a millimeter scale. If your tripod has individual markings on the neck, so you can use that. Now let's go outside and make some motion lapse videos.
Now we are at the side of this road and I will put my tripod here. So I chose this place because there is a wide area and cars are coming from this way and this way. So this is the Rockinon 14mm f2.8 manual lens. I mounted on it on my A7 III. This is very wide angle lens, so I can get the wide angle view. And this is the millimeter scale I printed out. I warped it around the neck using hard sponge and sellotape. So I will take one photo and move 1mm and then I'll take another photo. So now let's see the results, and after that I will show how to stack these photos in the post-production. Now open your editing software, whatever software you're using, After Effects, Premiere Pro, Final Cut, anything. Just import the photos. Import all the photos. Just go here and select all photos and check this box, camera raw sequence. Just check this box and hit OK. So as these are the raw photos, After Effects is asking me for making some changes in the camera raw. So I will just increase the shadow here and contrast here a little bit. I will do the color correction later on. So just import on the timeline. So these are the raw photos and it will take a little while for the computer to read all these files. But one of the advantage of taking it in raw, that you will get actually 6K, around 6K resolution footage, so you can always crop and reframe your composition. Another advantage is you can always push color grading for the raw photos. So this is the reason I took this in raw. You can also take these photos in JPEG, that will be completely fine.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope this video was helpful to you. So I know it bit a lengthy process to do motion lapse videos in this way, but I think the time completely owed the result. So I hope you will make a motion lapse video of your own and post it on Instagram and tag me at Elixir007. I will love to see your work and you can also post that using hashtag motionlapse without gimbal, so hashtag ML without gimbal. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, peace.